94.98% is candidate number 10. Congratulations, candidate number 10. And our third runner-up, the presenters, Ms. Laleng Patinaw, nakakuha ng 96.88%. Is you, candidate number... Who's your man? Third runner-up, candidate number 7. And now, the presenters for the second runner-up ng 97.13%. Miss Gay San Vicente, second runner-up, is candidate number... Our next award is the first runner-up. And to present this award, Ms. Eliza Palaban, Mr. Emil Pinto, SK Council runner-up po ay nakakuha ng 97.38 at ang ating title ay nakakuha ng 97.59%. Very close. The first candidate that I will be announcing is the first runner-up. Una ko pong tatawagin first runner-up. At ang hindi po matatawag, siya yung title natin. Yung hindi po matatawag, maliwanag po babalik-talik ko po ang traditional announcement, title ang tinatawag. Pero sa ngayon po, ang una pong tatawagin ko ay yung first runner-up. At ang hindi po matatawag na number of candidate is our Miss K San Vicente Universe 2025. Presenters, please. Dito po yung first runner-up. Our first runner-up ay nakakuha ng 97.38% is you, candidate number... Who's your man? Candidate number... Mukhang tense na bunahan. Our first runner-up is no other than candidate number 3. And our title, Miss Gay San Vicente, is candidate number 4. Step back for candidate number 4. Once again, our first runner-up is candidate number 3, and the title holder is candidate number 4. Our new Miss Gay, Barangay San Vicente Universe 2025, with average of 97.59. Congratulations, candidate number 4. Muli po,